Hi, teammates.
Oh, hi, Letter You. What are you doing?
I'm just looking for something.
Are you looking for anything in particular?
Yeah, I am.
You alright?
Found it. Found what we're looking for. Fidget spinners.
Whoa! They spin.
Right, it's cake at steak time.
Cake, 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 at steak.
Here is chocolate pudding. So we have got 62 votes.
Not very much.
Yes, that's right, Tig. So we have got a banana split today, but everyone will be sharing it. Oh, there you are. You've come to join us. Right. Paula and Spencer are safe with 0 votes.
Yeah. Yes.
Tig is safe with 4 votes. And Hatsumiku is safe with 6 votes. And Callie is safe with 9. Letter U and Pin are in the bottom too. Yep, she's in there again.
Well, it's not me leaving.
It's not her leaving at all because, well, letter U.
I think we got a 1 vote difference or a 2 vote difference.
Or is it both? Yeah, I think it's both. So, yeah. Pin is safe with 21 votes. And letter U is eliminated with 22 votes. Wow, these votes are close. 21, 22. Oh yeah, just like in December last month when we were having the elimination in the lobby in the hotel. Unbelievable. Bye, Pin. Bye, letter U.
Oh, Letter U. You got eliminated now.
I'm afraid so.
So, I've heard there's fidget spinners that you found there.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish I saw those fidget spinners. Yeah.
So there's 31 of you left. And the 20th contest, come and look over there. It's an idea from Chocolate Pudding. Fidget spinners.
Whoa! Yes!
So that's the challenge today. Everyone will be taking turns spinning them and there'll be no cheating. I don't want to see any cheating from any of you.
We're not gonna cheat.
Good. By the way, you can only spin it again if it stops. Don't stop the spinner and spin it again, because that would be cheating.
Yeah, I think that's what you meant there.
Alright, and go!
Whoa! We love the fidget spinners. This is going perfectly. We're gonna have a turn next.
These fidget spinners are amazing.
Right, it's time for everyone else to have a turn. Daisy and Remote, you can spin it next.
Yay!
And off we go.
Yes! Oh, Pin, are you alright? Yeah. We've got it spinning now. Yes! This really is awesome!
Best day ever.
Oh, hello, what's going on here? We're spinning fidget spinners today, and yeah, it's time for the last 2 teammates to have a turn. Right, off you go. I'm just going to stop it for a minute. See if I could go faster than everyone else. I'm going faster than everyone else.
Pillow, that's cheating. Why are you doing that?
Can you just stop for a minute? Well, I'm going faster now, but you've broken the rule. Nicole said no cheating.
Wait a minute. She doesn't have a partner.
Pillow, can you please stop for a minute?
Is there anything that you need?
You need a partner.
Oh, yeah.
Just choose one of us.
I'll choose Hannah.
Oh, alright. I'm actually worried she's going to do something.
Great idea. I am going to strap a bomb on her back.
What? Why would you do that?
No, you're not supposed to do that. Come here, Hannah.
Uh-oh. Run away.
Hannah. Hannah.
Run away.
Hannah. Hannah. Oh, I need to put it on her back. Hannah.
Oh no. Run away.
Oh, Hannah. Hannah, I got it. Oh no, pillow.
Run away.
Hannah, I need to put explosive on your back. Pillow, please don't. Right, let's do this.
Pillow, please don't. Someone save me.
Alright, this is gonna be fun.
No, it's not.
Right, 3, 2. Stop, Pillow.
Oh, too, you saved me.
Hannah, you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. Thanks for saving me.
Oh, Hannah.
Pillow, she tried to kill me.
Pillow! Is that what you were doing? Putting a bomb on Hannah's back? Your own teammate? I just thought it would be fun to do that.
But you can't do that. That's dangerous behaviour.
She's all upset now. Pillow, give me that bomb. I'm throwing that away. Oh! Thank you. Pillow, how could you do that? That's very disappointing. Divine Batteries is lost, thanks to Pillow.
Also, she cheated in the challenge.
I said to everyone they were not supposed to cheat. Oh, but she just did that.
She stopped the spinner and then spent it again.
Shh, it's gonna be okay, Hannah.
Thanks.
It's okay. Let's get you back.
And thank you.
Pillow may be cute on the outside, but she likes killing people. And that's my game. Please don't kill your teammates again. Well, I thought that was the challenge. No, that challenge was to be safe. Stay safe, it is. Oh, so that's what it was. So you didn't need to go around killing people. Vote in the comments by typing the letter in square brackets for under who deserves to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show. Pillow? Huh? For cheating and trying to kill Hannah, you get a penalty.
I have to hold the vote me out sign.
That's right, giving you 10 extra elimination votes.
Now my teammates are going to be so disappointed when they see this.
Anyway, voting ends on the 24th of January.
That's my birthday.
Yes, Monica, it's your birthday next week. Episode 21 will come out on the 27th of January. So, Monica, it's your birthday next week.
Yes, it is, Taco. Very excited to celebrate. And I'll get to eat my favorite meal, Taco Bell Extreme Wraps.
Yes, I love those as well. Yum! Yeah, they're really good.
Uh-huh, yeah they are. I better go tell Eric.
She's really going to enjoy her birthday.